In this recording, we're going to recover a file. And so here we go to Jobs and then Restore, Microsoft Hyper-V. Okay, Restore from Backup. And then now we have to have guest files restore. And then Microsoft Windows. Now right here, we have to pick one. So TP Test Backup consists of the domain controller, the backup, and then ST server 1, which we want. Next. Next. Now, reason for restore, you can leave that blank. And then now browse. So now we have to find the file that we want to restore. And it takes a while for this thing to open. So we just sit here for a while. Okay, starting restore session. And we'll just sit here for about a few seconds. Okay, here we are. So we go to C, and then see here, users. Now administrator.tbtest, and then we come down here to desktop, and file, created before crashing server, and then restore. Okay, now we do overwrite because the file is there, but we want to get rid of it. So overwrite. And then this takes a few seconds to do, so we just have to wait for about 30 seconds. Okay, I think it's ready. Then show details, and then restored file, file created for, okay, restored file. And so close, and that should be it. And then we go to, let's see here, we come down here and go to server, and then file created before restoring, and there we are.